I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Today I would like to share the making of coconut soaps made from commercial coconut oil and the homemade coconut oil that I made and shared with you a couple of weeks ago. Before we start, I'd like to thank you for joining me again this week. If you are new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon for a weekly soap making video, DIY tutorials, and recipe sharing from me. Soap making is my passion, so I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. So, let's get started! Both lye and oil are in room temperature now, so we can slowly and carefully pour the 37% lye solution into the oil. Then, we need to properly mix the solution using a stick blender, or in my case, I am doing my no-stick blender technique, so I'll just give it a gentle hand stirring to obtain an emulsion. As you can see, as I continue to stir, the solution will thicken. Visually, you will notice that when I move the spatula back and forth, it leaves a trail mark on top of the solution, and that is what we call trace. This is our visual signal, so it means that we are ready to pour the soap into the mold. After a few hours or days, the batter will harden and then we can unmold our soap. The unmolding time would depend on your recipe and your oil blend. I normally would press the middle part of my soap with my index finger. If it doesn't leave a pressing mark, then I know that my soap is ready and I can start to unmold. This one is from the homemade extra virgin coconut oil. Here's the coconut soap made from commercial coconut oil. I used the same amounts of oils, the same super fat, and I can see a difference in the colors. The commercial one is so white and which can be explained because the coconut oil is refined. I like the other soap made from the traditional homemade coconut because of the strong coconut smell. So if I need to choose, I will be torn and I definitely would choose both soaps. For the question of the week, have you tried making coconut oil soap and extra virgin coconut oil soap? If you did, which one do you prefer? Let me know by writing it down in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed what I shared, please leave a like and a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you posted of my weekly uploads. Until next time, bye-bye and happy birthday to those who will be celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!